Here we have a problem on integration. That is, we have to evaluate this indefinite integral. Okay, let me start working on this. Okay, in my first step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this constant 7 out of the integral. Then I'm getting 7 times integral 1 over. I'm going to write this x in denominator along with this dx. Then I'm getting 1 over x times dx. Then we have square root. Now I write this 49 as 7 square negative ln x the whole square. Okay, now let me consider a formula in integration, that is integral 1 over square root of a square negative x square times dx. The result of this integration is arc sine, let me write the stuff over here, x over a positive c. Now let's compare the integrand we have over here and the stuff we have in our integration. So here your constant a is square, here also your constant 7 is square, here your variable x is square, but here ln x is square. If I want to use a formula in our problem, so a single variable has to be squared over here like x square. But yes, instead of single variable, ln x, that is natural logarithm of x, is squared. So to use this formula, I have to replace this natural logarithm of x by single variable. So I can do this by u substitution, that is let u equals to ln x. Now I can substitute this new variable u for this ln x, so that I'll be getting this stuff in this form, that is 1 over square root of a square negative x square. Okay, since I have substituted a new variable u for ln x, I have to get this complete integration in terms of the new variable u. When I get the complete integration in terms of the new variable u, at the place of dx, I must have du, so that I'll be able to integrate with respect to u. So if I want to get du over here, so what should I do? I have to find derivative of this u, so that I'll be getting du. Since we have the original integration with respect to the variable x, now we have to find derivative on both sides of this equation with respect to x. When I find derivative of this u with respect to x, I'm getting du over dx. When I find derivative of this ln x, it's just 1 over x. Okay, now to solve for du in this equation, I multiply both sides by dx to get rid of the denominator dx over here. Now this dx and dx will cancel out. I'm getting du equals to 1 over x times dx. Okay, now let me go back to the integration. So 7 times integral 1 over square root of 7 square negative. For this ln x, we can substitute the variable u. Then I'm getting 7 square negative u square. For this 1 over x times dx, I can plug in du. So times du. Now just consider the integrand over here. It's exactly in the form of 1 over square root of a square negative x square. Now I can use a formula to integrate this stuff. Let me do it. 7 times. So the integration of this one is arc sine. That is arc sine. At the place of x we have u, so we have to write u. At the place of a we have 7, u over 7 positive c. Okay, 7 times arc sine. So u is the variable taken by us. It has to be replaced by the original stuff, that is ln x. So for this u we have to plug in ln x, that is ln x over 7 positive c. So this is the result of the given indefinite integral.